Okay, State of Florida versus Shawn Tyson, case number 2011 CF005516. The jury, having found you guilty of count 1 involving the victim James Cooper of first-degree murder, I now sentence you to life in prison in the Department of Corrections without the eligibility for any parole. As to count 2, the jury, having found you guilty regarding the victim, Mr. James Casares, of first-degree murder, I now adjudge you guilty, as I did in count 1, adjudicated guilty, and I sentence you to life in prison, and you are ineligible for parole. Was there any legal reason besides what we discussed earlier that you wanted to raise as to why I could not sentence Mr. Tyson?
Not that has not already been raised.
All right. That's the judgment and the sentence of the court. If you wish to file an appeal, you have 30 days to do so. If you could not afford a lawyer would be appointed to represent you free of charge. That's
Would
it.
you please indicate whether that is going to be concurrent or consecutive?
Yes. Count 2 is consecutive to count 1.
Thank you, sir.
It's 2 life sentences. The verdict form, I'll hand that back to.
There you have it. Shawn Tyson getting fingerprinted now as he's admitted to the Corrections Department for the rest of his life. He was found guilty of killing James Cooper and James Casares in April of last year with a firearm. The jury was out for a little more than 2 hours in finding him guilty. He was connected to the crime scene through DNA evidence, through witnesses who he himself had told that he had killed the 2 men.